So this thing is just basically a cylinder that I modeled in Fusion 360, and I cut a piece of it out and I made a little channel for the razor blade. It's one of those rectangle razor blades in there. And then I drilled and tapped out a couple holes. And up top, of course, I have some bearings pressed in. So let's see how well this works. I'd like to give a shout out to my latest subscriber, Esi Arantes. Muchas gracias, muy amable. And for that reason, I am doing a letter E. Let's give this a try. I say that's pretty good for a first try.